Okay, sweet. Welcome back, guys. Welcome to part two of our lesson. Oh my goodness, you guys are on fire. The sweet. We're gonna get right on back into it. The no hesitation. Let's get right back into it. Now, if you remember, we were just playing this game under construction inside part one of this video. The so please make sure if you haven't seen that video yet, if you haven't seen the part one, please make sure to go back and check that out. Especially for my kiddos at Parkway Elementary. Don't want you to miss out on any awesome information. Okay, so as you remember from part one, this game shows us a few different things that we're going to click on. It's going to show us a picture of an instrument, and then we're going to try to choose what family it belongs to. Sweet. So let's get right back into it. We already got a few in here. We've still got about 5 left. So let's go ahead and get them done. Okay. So if I remember right, the 5 that we still have left to go is this right here, this one, and that one. Those 5 still left to go. So let's start with our construction dude with the brown hair. All right. Here we are. Ah, yes, an instrument that you guys have gone to see in person before we went on our extended break. So, let's take this instrument for example. This one, if you remember, is the violin. The violin has strings on it. It also uses a bow that you draw across the strings to be able to produce the sound, as well as you could pluck it to create the sound. So, this instrument has strings. You pluck it to make sounds or draw a bow across it to make the sound. So, what family do we think this instrument belongs to? If it was me, I had to take a cracking guess. I'd say, hmm, woodwind? Because it's made out of wood? Yeah, that's the sound effect if we get it wrong, but that's all good. We can always go back and retry. So, it's not a woodwind. Now I wonder why. Do any of you guys know why? Hmm? If you were thinking that no, it has to be a string instrument because it has strings, then you would be absolutely correct. Definitely, it had strings on it, so of course it's in the string family. Alright, very nice job. Let's go ahead and do this guy right here, that big old claw machine. If any of you have seen Toy Story, which of course you know, that's where I'm from, that big claw, it's very similar to this guy. Alright, ignore that. So, this one, this looks like an instrument that we've seen before. In fact, I've played this one for you guys in class. So, this one, if you remember, is the flute. The flute is made out of full metal, but it does use wood on the inside to tune, and originally was made out of wood. So, what instrument family do we think that this one belongs to? Hmm. Which one? What do you guys think? I think I heard someone say woodwind. Very nice to whoever said woodwind out there. That was exactly correct. Alright, let's keep it going. Let's go with this guy. Alright, alright. Now, this instrument is one that we haven't gotten to play on in class, but we've talked a lot about. This is the bass drum. The big old drum. The bass drum. This instrument, remember, you use a mallet to bang on to create the sound. Now, If you bang on this instrument to create the sound, what instrument family do we think that belongs to? Hmm? Waiting to hear? Did I hear percussion? Let's see. Yes, exactly. That's exactly correct. Very nice, very nice. Awesome. Really nice job. Okay, let's see. We've got only two left. This one over here and this one over here on our right. So let's start with this one, right next to the construction guy. Another instrument that you guys have gone to see in class, the cello. The cello uses strings on the instrument that you use with a bow to draw across to create the sound, or as well as you could pluck it to also create the sound. So, if it has strings, uses a bow, what instrument family do we think that this belongs to? Percussion, brass, woodwind, strings. If you were thinking strings, you'd be absolutely correct. Oh, my little sound effect. Last one. Let's see if you guys can get this. The clarinet. Another instrument that you guys have gone to see me play in class. Clarinet, often made out of wood, uses a reed on the mouthpiece. Remember, fully made out of wood, uses a reed. What instrument family do you think that this one belongs to? Strings, woodwinds, brass, or percussion? Which one? Oh, I hear somebody. I think I heard someone say woodwinds. Yes, exactly. Congratulations. Well done. It was a really fun game. You all did absolutely fantastic. Really nice job. Really nice job. All right. All right. Now, the the families, there's so many different instruments. As you can see on here, the you guys did so well and you guys identify them so well, but sometimes it's hard to remember the names of all these guys. The but I have another game for us where we can learn more about these names as well as their instrument families. How many of you have seen Family Feud? Oh, I'm hearing some kids go crazy right now. Oh man, you guys love Family Feud, don't you? Well, we have a game designed for Family Feud. Oh my goodness, it is so much fun. Okay, so I'm going to talk a little bit about the instruments in the top left, as you can see, and then we're going to try and think of what we think the instrument family is. Let's try it. Okay, so this instrument that we have in the top left is what we call a cymbal. A cymbal is used with a drum set. The cymbal the you use mallets to be able to create the sound. You use a drumstick to create the sound. You use these things to bang on it to create the sound. You use it to bang on it on this cymbal. So, if we bang on the cymbal to create the sound, what instrument family do you guys think that this instrument would belong to? The brass, woodwind, string, percussion. If you were thinking percussion, you're absolutely right. Very nice job. Very nice job. All right. Another instrument that we haven't really gotten to see too much. This one is the euphonium. Very similar to the tuba, but just a little bit smaller. The euphonium is made out of complete metal. This is a metal mouthpiece that you put up to your lips and that you blow air through to create a buzz on your mouth to create the sound. So, what instrument family do you guys think that this one belongs to? Made out of full metal, you create a buzz on it to create the sound. What do you think? If you were thinking brass, very nice job. Exactly right. It's definitely brass. The next one, everybody knows this one. Say it with me. 3, 2, 1. Violin. Very nice. Very nice. Exactly. This is the violin. The violin has strings on it that, as we know, we use a bow on to draw across the strings to create the sound, or you could also pluck to create the sound. Very nice. So, what family do we think that this one belongs to? Brass, woodwinds, strings, or percussion? Say it with me in 3, 2, 1. Strings. Exactly. Super easy, super rockin'. You guys are just too good at it. Oh my goodness. Alright, alright. This next one. This one we saw in the last one. This is a bassoon, fully made out of wood, and uses a double reed, which is that little wood piece, to be able to create the sound. So, what do you guys think that this one might be? It's a toughie. If I had to assume, it's made out of wood, uses a double reed, it's gotta be woodwinds? Exactly correct, if you were thinking that with me. Very nice job, very nice job. Alright, alright. These ones are ones that we haven't gotten to see in class, but I was really wanting to show you. It's a bummer. That's okay. These are what we call the maracas. Super fun, super jazzy. You shake them to create the sound. You literally shake them to create the sound. They are absolutely fun. Now, if you shake these to create the sound, what instrument family do they belong to? Fits into the 3 categories that we had for percussion. Exactly. Very nice. Very nice. The best instrument of all, the French horn. I don't even need to talk about it anymore. Made out of full metal, uses a metal mouthpiece, put up to the lips that you buzz on to create the sound. So what instrument family does this belong to? I'm listening. Brass? Exactly. Exactly right. Ooh, this next one is always good to go over. The piano. If you remember from last one, we had a little bit of a struggle bus on this one. The piano, remember, uses the keys that you hit and then uses a little lever to bang on the strings to create a sound. Remember, it bangs on something to create the sound, which means it goes into the percussion family. Exactly. Exactly right. Very nice. Very nice. All right. This last one here that we're going to do today is what we call the clarinet, as you guys have seen me play for you guys, and that we've talked about a million times. The clarinet, of course, is made out of wood. Uses a wood piece on the back that's called a reed. With these, you blow air through it, and that creates the vibration to produce the sound. So, what instrument family does the clarinet belong to? If you guys remember, it's woodwinds. Perfect. Very nice, very nice. All right, that's all that we're going to do for today. You guys have been doing super, super well with that stuff, so I've got a really fun game that's not only going to test you on the knowledge the of the families, but also is going to try to get you on what the instrument names are. It's going to be pretty fun. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Looking forward to it.